Hello everyone, my name is Robert Thao. I want to give a special shout out to a Vision Project, family and friends, my boys group, my uncle Senator Phone Hut, and special shout out to my fans. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here, or I wouldn't be what I am today. Thank you. You guys are awesome, and you guys just kept me going. Just want to let all you guys know that I will be at July 4th tournament in St. Paul, Minnesota. Vision Project, we're gonna be having a booth. Be there. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be exciting. I got good music coming your way. Um, I'm going to be sounding my first album there still. So just in case people from out of states, fans from out of states, didn't get a chance to buy a copy yet. So come by and come say hi. I'm gonna have some special guests. I don't know who it is yet, or maybe I do know, but all you guys will just have to find out. So be there. Thank you guys.
的故乡，我的故境有